are here to both rejoice in the resilience of this country and remember the tragedy that is human life lost. We have only become stronger. Terrorists hijacked the U.S. passenger planes and killed nearly 3,000 people. Their goal was to crush the American spirit. They failed.
Try to praise the mutilated world. Remember June's long days and wild strawberries, drops of wine, the dew, the nettles that methodically overgrow the abandoned homesteads of exiles. You must praise the mutilated world. You watched the stylish yachts and ships. One of them had a long trip ahead of it, while salty oblivion awaited others. You've seen the refugees heading nowhere. You've heard the executioners sing joyfully. You should praise the mutilated world. Remember the moments when we were together in a white room and the curtain fluttered. Return in thought to the concert where music flared. You gathered acorns in the park in autumn, and leaves eddied over the earth's scars. Praise the mutilated world, and the gray feather a thrush lost, and the gentle light that strays and vanishes and returns. I wanted to honor the spirit of community and perseverance that sustained New York City after the attacks. I want to celebrate New York today, a place that, as the Statue of Liberty indicates, welcomes and shelters those who make it their home. It is a place that endures and thrives, and most importantly, knows how to love. We could have chosen to live our lives from a place of fear. But when we turned on our TV sets in the uncertain hours and days that followed, we watched our intrepid mayor, Rudy Giuliani, walking the streets of downtown Manhattan, holding a dust mask up to his face, and speaking directly to us through the camera about how we should proceed compassionately and calmly. Hatred, prejudice, and anger are what caused this terrible tragedy, and the people of the city of New York should act differently, he said. We should act bravely. We should act in a tolerant way. We should go about our business, and we should show these people that they can't stop us. In the aftermath of 9/11, our biggest choice was to love the stranger as we would our friend. We had to trust what we did not yet know. We had to have faith that there is more goodness in human nature than evil. And we had to live our lives from a place of love and not of fear. My strongest memory from the days after 9/11 was when my church congregation was welcomed to attend a service at a mosque a few blocks away. I arrived bareheaded, and upon entering the mosque, a Muslim woman generously and lovingly pulled out a beautiful silk scarf, gossamer thin and pale yellow, and offered it to me, a total stranger, so that I might cover my hair and and participate in the religious service alongside her. We did not speak words. She simply smiled, offered, and I accepted. The insistence of beauty and kindness, even amid the terror and the grief, prevailed. That is the legacy